Hey friends, I'm here to reveal to you my new Crystal Visions high top sneakers. I am really stoked about how these turned out. I made them from this video series I did a few years ago where I was crafting all these tiny little worlds out of quartz crystals, and I think they turned out really awesome. Ta-da! Here they are in all their pink and blue glory. As you can see, the image of the crystals looks really crisp on this canvas, and they have this awesome iridescent vaporwave aesthetic that I am personally very excited to rock. I'm going to use some of my video witch tricks, and I'm going to give you a closer look.